Healthy eating. Eating nutritious foods gives kids more energy and even helps them do better in school. Children should eat protein, fruits, vegetables, grains, and dairy products each day. Proteins keeps muscles and bones strong. Foods that are high in protein come from animals and plants. Fish, chicken, lean meats, eggs, nuts, beans, and peas are a good source of protein. Fruit and vegetables contain many important vitamins that help heal cuts and keep teeth and gums healthy. They help prevent sickness and disease. Whole grains contain fiber, which helps move food through the body and prevents disease. Sources of whole grains include whole wheat bread, oatmeal, and brown rice. The calcium in milk keeps bones strong. Calcium is also in yogurt and cheese. That was healthy eating. Now you're going to go start your writing with your Foursquare.